So I'm a mum now, and I think that brings a whole new level onto wearing makeup. Time is really of the essence. Like, makeup is a tool to make you feel beautiful. I think heritage is just an innate part of who we are. Our identity is something that we should celebrate. For me, makeup has just become almost like an accessory, literally like a handbag or a pair of shoes. We all have our own hang-ups, and I feel that makeup has been my secret toolbox to add in that dash of spice or bright pink wherever it's needed. This whole experience of motherhood has really made me realise just how incredible women are. Hi guys, so today I'm shooting from the comfort of my own living room, which is really nice to share with you guys, and I wanted to do a look that kind of really wakes up my skin. It's just that time of year where it's the beginning of the summer and my skin isn't like tanned like it usually is, so I wanted to just add a little bit of colour. So I've got a really beautiful lip that I'm going to do today. So starting off with concealer, I just want to really even out the tones in my skin. So I've often got like really dark circles under my eyes just because of all the late nights with the baby are always catching up on me. So I'm using a really nice creamy concealer just to hide away any kind of dark patches. I'm also applying it quite low underneath my lash line and not too close to my lash line because I don't want to erase any of my features, which is why I'm not wearing like a full base for this look. Then onto the cheek tint. I wanted to add a natural flush to my skin, so I'm using this gorgeous raspberry coloured blush. It looks kind of dark when you put it out, but it actually works really, really nicely on my olivey skin. Probably works on darker skin too because it's got this really gorgeous transparency when you apply it, giving me a really flushed look, which is the look I'm going for. Then moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going for a really boyish look on my brows because, as you're going to see later, I'm doing a really super feminine, bright pink look on the lips. So I don't want to take anything away from that. And I think having a boyish brow really balances the look out. Moving on to my eyeliner, I don't want anything too intense on the eyes because the main focus here is the lips. They really are the star of the show. So I just want to add a little bit of structure to define the shape of my eyes. I'm doing this with a brown eye pencil, which has got a slight shimmer to it. And I'm applying it in like a cat eye way and using my fingers. And I'm also going to use a really nice blunt brush to blend it all in. Obsessed with using brown eyeliners. You'll probably see me doing so much of that in my videos because I think people assume that when you have really dark hair that you should wear black eyeliner, but it's such a myth because I think brown eyeliner kind of does a really good job with defining the eyes but without kind of crowding over it too much. Essentially, I'm just creating a really soft and delicate look everywhere else because I know that the lips are going to be really intense. Not to forget this amazing stick which I use on my cheeks, eyes and lips. Since being a mum, I love to cut out steps. I don't always have enough time to use loads of different products. So having a product like this enables me to add a little bit of gloss and glow on the go, straight from my handbag. It's a really, really, really great product. So onto the mascara, which I'm going to just layer on. In fact, this particular mascara, you don't really need to layer it on because it's got really nice soft bristles that catch your eyelashes really quickly and perfectly. So you don't need to spend too much time doing this. It's just a really lovely intense mascara. Onto the lips. So this is really like the key part of this look. I wanted to choose a really bright and vibrant pink because they just kind of remind me of like India and Jaipur and the kind of magic of colour, and I think that mixed with the kind of dullness of summer, I guess, in the UK, which isn't always that great, it just brings the look to life, and it also kind of makes my skin feel a little bit tanned too as well. It just really brings out the colour in my skin, I think. So last but not least, I'm using a highlighter on my Cupid's bow and on all the little angles of my face where the light catches, just to give that final touch of glow. Again, it's not shimmery, it's a really delicate product, and it's so easy to apply as well, and it's just perfect to give the finishing touch, especially if this is going to be a day look, which it is. So guys, that is me done. I hope you enjoyed my really bright pink Jaipur inspired lip. I really can't wait to hear your thoughts and what other colours you think work with your skin tone. I can't wait to hear more. See you guys soon.